Hi guys, just wanted to come through to show y'all how I clean my eyelash extensions. You can start with this Garnier Micellar Water, cleansing water. They also offer this in a foam, or you can order your personal lash proof from MakeMeMinkLashes.com. You just want to start by placing some foam into your top, then focusing directly on your lash line. Okay, you want to get all the oil and debris and sweat and everything off of those lashes for greater retention. Rinse it off really quickly, and you just want to pat dry. You don't want to rub. Be careful not to rub your lashes while they're wet because they will come off. Now, for my real ones, we might not have a fan, but we have a blow dryer, period. Okay, put it on cool setting and let it do its thing. Try not to brush your lashes while they're too wet. Try to let the blow dryer get them dry a little bit before you start brushing, because you don't want to rub any lashes off. Then once you can, it's safe to brush. You want to make sure the fans are doing exactly what they need to do. That way you're also able to keep your lashes straight and trained, and which makes application so much easier, and it keeps your lashes looking fresher longer. Beautiful. All right, you guys. So now we just simply want to go through the exact same steps on the opposite eye to ensure that our lash set is clean, obviously. And we want to make sure we keep them clean between appointments and applications. That way our sets remain popping, all right? So you guys, I definitely hope this tutorial made things a little bit easier, a little bit clearer when it comes to cleaning your lash extensions. And I'll see y'all next time. Y'all have a great day, okay? Later.